Today, Yuma County, though, also taking a huge step in curbing the pandemic with the first frontline workers getting vaccinated themselves. News 11's Adonis Albright was there. He joins us from outside Yuma Regional Medical Center tonight.
Good evening, Brandon. Yes, today was definitely history in the making with the very first coronavirus vaccines being administered today in Yuma County. Here at Yuma Regional Medical Center, they vaccinated 20 of their frontline employees who have been fighting tirelessly against the pandemic for months now. Now, they received 2,000 of the Moderna doses. And Brandon and Jenny, I cannot emphasize enough the feeling in the room when they were getting vaccinated. People were laughing, people were talking, they were happy. Aside from the masks, it looked like a scene right before the pandemic even started. So this is really a beacon of hope, especially right now, because of the number of cases in our region that have been on the rise. And we know we are not out of the woods yet, but this is definitely a big step forward. And for the first time, it looks like there is an end in sight. Medical personnel I spoke with definitely echoing those sentiments tonight.
It's definitely a huge relief. I'm very, very grateful to have received the vaccine. People have been working very hard here at YRMC and on the front lines everywhere, and we are extremely grateful for everybody who's been working so hard here, as well as in developing the vaccine, and it provides hope for us.
Now, the very first person to roll up their sleeve was Amanda Aguirre, who is the president and CEO of the Regional Center for Border Health, followed, of course, by the frontline workers who administer those COVID-19 tests. So they received 200 doses of the Moderna vaccine, and RCBH has about 400 employees. So obviously there is not enough for everyone to get vaccinated right away, but more shipments are coming in each week, and employees do have to sign a consent form if they want to get vaccinated, so it is not mandatory. Well, I asked Aguirre how it feels to be one of the very first people in Yuma County to get vaccinated. Take a listen.
I want to be a role model for everybody, for those that are afraid, for those that still have questions about the vaccine. And I know that they are. We're making it voluntary for any health workers to get it today in my agency, but I know that a lot of people have doubts in their mind. And I want to be that person that erases that doubt in their minds.
Yeah, and Brandon, back here live, Sunset Health, who was one of the 3 partners who was supposed to receive those Moderna vaccines, said that the shipment did come in this morning, but they still don't have a timeline for when they are going to vaccinate those employees. But of course, keep it right here on KYMA. We will continue to bring you the latest. Reporting live from YRMC tonight, I'm Adonis Albright for News 11. Sending it back to you.
Adonis, good stuff as always. Thank you, my friend.